guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how you can check for your IP address in two ways using the terminal in Linux. Okay, so the first one should be this command that everyone usually knows, which is IFCONFIG, like that. If you press enter, it will show you, let me just make this big, so it will show you the actual device and what is the IP address it's running on. Okay, what is it broadcasting on, what is the IPv6 for that device, and you also get your loopback IP, which is 127.0.0.1. okay, so now this is the old way. So there's a newer where you can check in for a specific, or if you want for everything in general, but it also gives you the ability to choose a specific device that you want to check the IP for. So in this case you would type in IP like that, space address like that, which is ADDR. Then you'd want to say show like that. So if I press enter, you see it also brought the same exact information as that, okay, but kind of in a different way. Okay, but they are all specifying, as you can see, this one started with a loopback, then there's our Ethernet ETH0. okay, so now how would you, if you want to specify an exact IP address that you want to, or an exact device that you want to view, you would want to type in the same command, okay, the same command, but this time you want to include ETH0, for example, as a device that I want to check for. So here you can choose anything there, which is, you can choose what is the device here. That's what you need to put in there. So IP space address, which is ADDR space show, then ETH0 if you want to check for the Ethernet or WLAN, whichever it may be. Okay, then you want to press enter. As you can see, now we only got the details for only that device there. So this can also help you to just check for a specific device that you want to view the IP address for. So if you found this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my future uploads. And you can also check out some other contents that I have on the channel. So see you in the next video.